Obviously, one of the key things for anybody who's used ChatGPT, especially around certain subjects and so on, is to make sure that the answers are correct as well. It's not kind of the oracle of all truth. We know it has its flaws and it can make mistakes. And also, strangely enough, large language models like these have problems with things that you would have thought would be fairly easy for it, like certain mathematical problems. Recently, there was highly publicized errors in a large language model looking at explaining compound interest and things like that. So you just need to be careful and kind of do due diligence on it, as Greg said, as well.
You got to double check it. You got to still have that human interaction, or otherwise you're going to get further down the line and kind of shoot yourself in the foot.
Yeah, and then there's also a couple of other warning labels that should be mentioned with ChatGPT. If you're starting to put, financial information and proprietary confidential information, even though those searches belong to you according to the terms of use from OpenAI, that data is being stored somewhere. So I'd advise you not to put anything in there that you don't want to be out there in the public domain potentially.